YouTube, what's up? Project Pat here, back out in the shop. And today we're gonna get cracking some more on some body work. I took apart, hope you can see that, the inner fender off of this original fender that is original to my 12 valve. Mind you, this cab right here is not the 12 valve cab. That's actually a 1500 gasser that I got. My 12 valve is a 95. This cab is actually a 99. So there's definitely some differences that I'm running into. Also, this cab is all power and my 95 was basically pretty much all manual. Windows, seats, all that was manual. This has power everything, which is nice. So I'm gonna try and make that work. But here is the inner fender right here, which you can see is not in horrible shape, except for that end right there, the front end, which I'm gonna put this in my blast cabinet today. Okay, so as you just saw, that inner fender, it's actually not horrible for a 95 New England truck, but let me give you the lowdown real quick. I have a OEM passenger side fender right there, mint condition, inner and outer, completely ready to go. I had bought both brand new fenders from LMC Truck before I had bought this spare truck. I am using one of the two, the driver's side fender that I bought. Fenders do not come with inner fenders, these right here. So I either had to buy an inner fender or reuse one. And luckily, I'm gonna say that this one's good enough to use. The one that's in the blast cabinet right now. Let me show you this. My goal is to get 2 usable fenders ready to go. So here we are, about to get blasted. I would set you up, but you guys really can't see much of anything through here. So stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, well, here we are. After multiple flips, rotations, and twisting, trying to get all the spots, we blasted it. As you can see, that is where the thin spot is, and we're gonna have to do a little bit of repair. And then there was another thin spot that I found somewhere through there. Where was that? Maybe that was just a black spot I saw. Anyways, we'll be looking everything over, but overall right now pretty good. I'm trying to get the shop warm enough to get some primer on this. Along this edge right here where all my spot welds are gonna go, I have weld through primer over there, warming up on top of the wood stove. And then for the rest of it, I have regular self-etching primer. So we'll etch this in, get this coated so it doesn't rust up again, and then we'll see how far I go. Maybe I'll start welding this onto the new fender. That's still got to get prepped though. So here we go. What's up, guys? So anyways, that's probably going to conclude this video. I'm going to show you here shortly how it turned out. I didn't prime it yet. I've got a couple more spots, and I'll show you that I have to touch up with the welder. So I'm back over here about to weld that, but I figured I'd end the video here, show you this. I'm pretty, honestly, for the first time I've ever done any body work or really like welding on stuff like that. Excuse my hair. It came out pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I saved myself a little bit of money on an inner fender by reusing this one. So hold on, I'm gonna bring you around here and show you. Now, those are the two front ones that I have to fill in more and then grind down, and I might touch up the front, but the rest of this came out pretty good, if you ask me. So, stoked about that. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe, please leave any comments. I'm not a pro. If you have any tips, let me know. I'd appreciate them because I got a lot more body work coming ahead. And if you like the video and that sort of thing, just let me know. So have a good one. We'll see you.